Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to log into a Bloomberg terminal. Accessing a Bloomberg terminal is straightforward once you understand the process. First, ensure you are at a physical Bloomberg workstation. These terminals are specialized computers designed for financial data. You'll need your personal login credentials, which include a unique username and a secure password. This setup ensures only authorized users can access the vast amount of financial information available. For your initial login, locate the Bloomberg Terminal application icon on the desktop. Double-click it to open the login window. You will then be prompted to enter your assigned username. After that, carefully type in your confidential password. Many terminals also require a second verification step, like a code sent to your phone, to enhance security. Follow these prompts to gain access to the system. Once logged in, you'll see the main Bloomberg screen, which is your gateway to real-time market data, news, and analytics. The terminal uses a unique command line interface. Simply type a function code and press enter. For example, Go followed by a ticker will show company information. Also, get comfortable with the specialized Bloomberg keyboard, which has color-coded keys for different functions, making navigation much more efficient. Maintaining security is paramount when using a Bloomberg terminal. Always remember to log out completely from your session when you are finished to protect sensitive financial data. Never share your personal login credentials with anyone, as your access is tied directly to your individual account. For more details on terminal usage and other helpful resources, check the description below for links and other deals. This ensures your information remains secure and your access is protected.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.